welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, we are doing a PR unboxing. I do these every single Friday here on my channel where I save up all my packages from the week and we open them together so we can see what's new in makeup and what new launches are coming out. If you guys are ready, let's get started with opening some of these boxes. Here came from Double Dare, and I actually got a package from them, I believe it was like a few weeks ago, and they sent over another package, so I am curious to see what's inside of this one. The first thing is this Age Freeze gel mask. Ooh, and the thing has like this girl with like half gel, half not. That's a cool idea. I wonder if it's like, I'm curious about this. I wonder what it is like. Ooh, packaging's cool. So it's an Age Freeze gel mask. So I want to put a little out and see what it feels like because I'm just super curious. Come on. Hello. It doesn't want to come out. Well, it smells good. I can smell it already. It looks to be like a gel because I just wanted to know like what the consistency is. This is super interesting to me. I'm really excited to try this one out. So in here we have the Honey Milk Drop. So this is a body wash. They actually just sent this over to me. I have not tried it out yet. I need to. And then the next one here is a Jet Super Hydrating Skincare. This is an all-in-one jet serum. So I have like an anti-aging serum, I'm assuming. And then we have another one of those little brushes. So this is supposed to be like a bath brush that you can use like in the shower for your hair or for your body. I like the color of this one, it's cute. And then we also have in here an Invisible Sleeping Jet Mask. So a sleep mask, I always love those. And we got more stuff in here as well. What else is there? So this is a super hydrating skincare, so it's an oil to foam cleanser. I love finding new cleansers. So I definitely am gonna be trying this one out tonight. And then also in here, it looks like we have some of their patch. So these are like their little hair ties, where you just kind of put them in your hair like that and kind of pin your hair back when you do your masks or when you do your skincare. So thank you so much to Double Dare for sending over this package to me. I really appreciate it. Next box that I have here is from Stellar Beauty. If you guys have never tried their products, I highly recommend them. I love their products. Their Limitless foundation is one of my absolute favorite foundations. So we have a whole box here. I'm not sure what's all in here. I think I got everything out of the box. So this first thing is an eyeliner. So this is their Hyper Eyeliner Pen. And then this is their Starlust Holographic Highlighting Palette. You guys know I love highlighters. Ooh, look at this. Oh, that's so cool. So I love the formula of their, oh my God, look at that purple. I love the formula of their highlighters. They're just like kind of, it's like they're almost glittery, but when you apply them, they don't look glittery. That's really pretty. I want to dip into this purple one. This is going to be really, oh yeah. And let's do the last one. So this is the pink one. Wow, these are super pretty. Right down my alley, Stella, right down my alley. So also in here, it looks like a bunch of different lip products. Let me unpackage those. We have some lippies. So we have two liquid lipsticks. I've never tried their liquid lipstick formula, so I'm excited to try this out. And then we also have two of their, what are these called? These are like their lip glosses. What is the name on these? So these are their Starlust Lip Glosses. Those look really pretty as well. I really like their packaging. It's very heavy and luxurious. And then also in there, I thought it was a lipstick, but it's actually a mascara. So we have a mascara as well. I'm excited to try out all of these products. Thank you so much to Stellar for sending that package over. Next box came from Preemie as well as Buxom, and it is a full package full of Buxom products. So I've already opened a few of these things. So they have in here, these are their new like lip plumping toppers. So they're kind of like their full-on lip polishes, but they are like iridescent kind of toppers. I've been playing with them. They sent over a ton of them. There's like so many different colors. So as you can see, there's like a bunch of different ones. So I've been playing with these. And then also in here, there are a bunch of their little eyeshadows. These are like little eyeshadows. I'm not sure if these are magnetic or not, but there is a whole bunch of those in here. We have some mascaras. There's also what are these? These are shiny liquid lipsticks. I've never tried this formula. So there's also some of their full-on lip polishes in here as well, which are my favorite formula ever. And what else is in here? There's like some lip liners. There's also some mascara. This is a tinted lip balm, as well as there's just so much stuff in here. There is this Divine Goddess Luminizer. So this is in Venus. Let's see what this looks like. I haven't opened this up. I think it's like a liquid illuminizer. Ooh, look at that. Let's swatch a little of this and see what it looks like. I'm really excited to have all these goodies from Buxom because they're one of those brands that I love, but I haven't tried a bunch of stuff from. So I'm excited to have some new products from them to try out. So I am swatching Venus, and yeah, that's gonna be really pretty. So this is like a liquid highlight. I like the way that this is blending out. It looks very kind of natural, but still really, really pretty. So definitely really excited about all of these great products from Buxom. So thank you to Preemie and Buxom for sending this over to me. I really appreciate it. On to the next package. I'm not really sure who this is from, so we will have to open it together. Okay, this is from Essie. So we have some new nail polish colors. These are available in April, which it's already May, so they are available now. And then they also retail for $9. We have here a case. I'm assuming this will have them in it. I actually have been growing out my natural lashes, my natural nails. These are them right now. They're such little baby nails. So this couldn't have came at a perfect time because I am starting to use more polishes because I'm doing my natural nails now. Ooh, these are pretty. So here are the shades. So there's 6 different new nail polish colors. I'm really into these 2 right here. These are really pretty, especially for spring. And I also really like this one. It's kind of like a nude shimmer. That's really pretty as well. I am really excited to have these. Thank you so much to the team at Essie for sending these over. I don't get nail polish very often, so that's definitely really exciting to get from you guys, so thank you. I feel like this mascara I have on, it keeps running. You guys see how black it is no matter what I do? Like, this keeps happening. So I'm sorry if that annoys you throughout the video. I used the Iconic London mascara, and I just don't think I'm a fan of that. It transfers a lot down here, and I don't like that. It's annoying me. So the next package came from Sam Marcel Paris. So I already peeked in this, and I didn't open anything, but I saw like the initial packaging. You guys, it's velvet. Can you see this? Velvet. Can you hear my dog growling? The male person just passed by, and he's like, he hates the male person. Okay, so this is a luxurious eyeshadow palette. This is Sam Marcel again. I want to open this. This is such cool outer packaging. I don't think I've ever seen anyone with this, so this is really cool. So let me see what this looks like. So this is the luxurious eyeshadow palette. Ooh, and the inside packaging is gold. That looks pretty. Let's do a couple of swatches. Feels like they're pretty pigmented. So we've got some mattes in here as well as some shimmers. Ooh, the mattes feel really nice. So here's just a few swatches from the palette. This is pretty. And then we've also got a couple liquid lipsticks and then a regular lipstick. Same packaging again. Super cool. Ooh, this is nice. Look at this outer packaging. I am such a sucker for packaging. Ooh, this is like my favorite color right now. So this is in Belle. And let me give it a swatch. Ooh, it feels like it's gonna be really creamy and nice and pigmented. That looks really pretty. And let me show you guys the liquid lipsticks. This packaging is absolutely gorgeous. Look at how pretty these look. Okay, so we have 2 different liquid lipsticks. This is Ella and this is Celine. Let me swatch Celine. This one looks really pretty. Ooh, it feels nice too. I love the applicator. It's got like that little bit of bend to it. Love those. Here is Celine, and then let me swatch Bella here as well. This looks like a super fun and bright kind of Barbie pink color. Oh my gosh, yes. There's that one. Wow, these are beautiful. Thank you so much to Sam Marcel. I am excited to try these. And this next box I just opened, I believe it's pronounced HALLU. HALLU? 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 I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm sorry if I'm butchering it. This is a Unicorn Beach Foam Lotion Glow. Look at this packaging. So this is a Unicorn Foam Lotion Glow. So is this like a, like a illuminator, but a lotion? Let me try it out and see. These always stress me out, these type of, I'm always afraid of them because I feel like a lot comes out. Oh, that wasn't bad. Okay. So let me see. So it's like a foamy texture. I just kind of want to see because it says illuminating. Ooh, okay. So it does have a little bit of flex in it. It's kind of hard to tell over the lipstick that I just rubbed off. It smells nice too. Okay, so we have that in here as well as more fun packaging. So this is the Unicorn Beach Body Mist. That looks fun. So it kind of reminds me of like those sprays when you used to have when you were little. That kind of, these smell good too. That kind of looked like this, like just like fun. These are cool. And then also in here, Rainbow Sugar Scrub, purifying with honey, coconut, and rose hip oil. So these are Unicorn Beach Rainbow Sugar Scrubs. So we have just like these cubes, and these are supposed to scrub your beautiful skin with natural benefits of honey, gentle exfoliation of sugar, and added moisture from coconut and rosehip. So these are just like little sugar body scrubs. Those are cool. Ooh, yes, yes, yes. We have a bath bomb. This one looks like it's a bunch of fun colors. It has pink and blue and purple. And let me smell it because I want to smell everything. It smells really good. So this is the Unicorn Bath Bomb. That's going to be super cool. I bet. I love bath bombs. They're so exciting. And then also in here we have the Unicorn Beach Scrub and Butter Body Bar. So this is a deep clean with blueberry seeds and shea butter. It's like a soap bar, I'm assuming. Wow, these are really cool. So this is all the Unicorn Beach collection. These are really, really cool. I hope I'm saying that right. HALLU. I'll link it down below for you guys. Thank you guys so much for that package. We have one more box here to open, and this says it's from Doll 10. So I'm curious to see what they sent over. The team there is always so, so sweet. Have a little bag, and let's see what is inside here. Ooh, we got lots of goodies in here. Okay, the first thing is their Hydro Luxe Smoothing Foundation. And this is in the shade, let's see what shade this is. I have tried this before, and the shade that I had was super, super light, so I'm hoping this is a darker shade. Okay, so this is light medium. I'm assuming that one's gonna match me better because the light shade was just way too light for me. This next one is their H2 Glow. So this is the Champagne Highlights. We gotta swatch it. Let me see, I can't tell where this opens. Oh, okay, it flips down. That's cool. Does that not look like the beautifulest thing you've ever seen? Ooh, so it's a cream highlight. Here's a little swatch of it. Let me put it on my hands. So here it is. So it looks a little bit sheer. We'll see how it kind of blends out. Definitely pretty for the summertime. I love that packaging that it flips like that. It's really cool. Also in here we have their Hydro Gel Foundation. Ooh, this is in the shade medium. I'm excited to try that. And then we also have here their Hydro Balm. This is a precision concealer. And then here is another one. So I'm assuming these are two different shades of that. And then what else do we have? So we have the Brow Lights. Ooh, so this is a brow fix. So I'm assuming this is a brow powder. Let me see if it's a pomade or a powder. Okay, so this is actually a pomade. It has like a swirl in there. That's kind of cool. So it looks like it has a little bit of glisten in that. So I'll be curious to see what that looks like on the brows. We have here, this says cover and conceal it. So I'm assuming this is like another concealer. And then also we have, this is a gel liner in Luna. We have another gel liner in Total Eclipse, so it looks like a black and a brown. And then also a Hydro Luxe Smoothing Eyeliner. And then the last thing in here is a Hydro Gel Concealer. So we got some new concealers, foundations, we got some glow. I'm really excited to try out all of these products. I really love Doll 10. They are so, so sweet. One of the sweetest companies I work with. And they also have a very, very nice range of products. I really, really like their new Swirl foundation. It's really good. So definitely check them out. I will link them down below for you guys. All right, I need to go take care of this under eye situation because this is not cute. So that is what I'm gonna go do. Huge thank you to the brands for sending over these PR packages to me. I am so thankful. And of course, a massive thank you to you guys, because without you guys, none of these opportunities would be possible for me. And I really appreciate you guys more than you will ever know. I love you so much, and thank you for being so supportive on these videos, and thank you for showing love on them. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you guys go. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and then on Fridays. Stay tuned for a new summer schedule, because I'm thinking I might upload a little bit more. I'll keep you guys updated, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.